Hello kids, from today's lecture we will be studying from your new book, that is Maths World. Okay, first chapter is same as that, rational number. Okay, we will be solving this recall exercise first. Okay, first, which of the following are included in rational number? So here both integers and fractions. Which of the following rational number is not in standard form? Minus 24 by 32. The reciprocal of dash rational number is negative only. The reciprocal of negative rational number is negative only. The integer dash can be written as 0 by 2, 0 by 5, 0 by 9. So integer 0 can be written as 0 by 2, 0 by 5, 0 by 9. Fill in the blanks. The number dash is neither positive nor negative, so 0. The number half and dash will be equidistant from 0. So half and minus half. Dash is the standard form of minus 32 by 64. Solve it up. 32 and 64 come in the table of 8. Even they come in the table of 16. So I can directly write 2 by... Okay. 64 comes in the table of 32. So I can directly minus 1 by 2. 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64. We can find dash number of rational number between two rational numbers. So this is unlimited. Infinite we can write. Okay. Now true and false. 7 by 5 is greater than minus 7 by 5. True. While adding two rational numbers with same denominator, only denominators are added. False. Only numerators are added. Every rational number is an integer. False. Every integer is a rational number. The product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. True. जब भी आप सपोज 1 by 2 लो इंटू 2 by 1 लो, ये हुआ नंबर, ये हुआ उसका रेसिप्रोकल. कट 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 कट, तो आपका आंसर क्या आया? 1. ओके. फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ minus 3 by 5 and minus 15. So what we will do? Minus 3 by 5 into minus 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So your answer is minus 9. Okay. Find the product of reciprocal of minus 5 by 7, that is 7 by 5, and reciprocal of minus 14 by 25, that is 25 by minus 14. So this will become 5 by 2. तो आपका आंसर क्या आया? 5 by 2. Okay. So this is the answer for this. This is the answer for this. Okay, now you will understood better. Here we get 5 by 2. Okay, so this was our recall exercise. Now we'll be talking about the introduction. We will be going through these things. First introduction is कि in mathematics we came across different situations. Okay. The solution gives the whole number 0. Okay, this we have told here we are told about the collection of rational numbers. Rational numbers contains all the natural numbers, all the whole numbers, all the integers, all the fractions. Okay, so what is a rational number? A rational number is a number which can be expressed in P by Q form, where Q is not equal to 0. Okay, now examples of rational number we are given here. Since if any of the rational number does not have denominator, we put 1 as their denominator. Okay, and 0 is the rational number which is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so we directly put 0 by 1 or 0 by anything, so your answer will always be 0. Now beta, see, while dividing rational numbers, we will get two types of solution. Either the decimal will end or the same type of number will repeat. ठीक है, या तो आपका आंसर आएगा फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0.123 या फिर आएगा 0.12121212 एंड डॉट 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 डॉट. ठीक है, सो दीज टू टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स आर रैशनल नंबर्स. Whereas if none of the number is repeated, means it goes on like 1 2 3 4 5 dot 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 dot. So such type of numbers are known as irrational numbers, where the number continues, where the decimal is never stopped and it continues repeating. That is known as irrational number. For example, root 2 pi we have. So here we don't have any solution. So these are known as irrational number. Now comparison of rational number, as we have studied earlier, we can do comparison in two ways. Either suppose these are your rational number p by q and r by s. Multiply these two, whichever side answer will be greater, that rational number would be greater. Or the second method which we studied was take the LCM of the denominator and check which of the rational number is greater. Okay, so these two methods are there for checking the comparison. First, just multiply the numerator of first, denominator of second, denominator of second, denominator of first. Okay, whichever answer is greater, that side wala fraction is greater. And second is LCM. Your denominators are different, so we take LCM and we check. See, here we are given, we check. After taking the LCM, the denominators become same and we can say which one is greater, which one is small. Now the standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number is what? The simplest form of rational number. आपके पास कोई भी रैशनल नंबर दिया हुआ होगा, आप उसको सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करोगे और उसको सबसे छोटे फॉर्म में लेकर आओगे. अगर सबसे छोटा फॉर्म नहीं आता है तो दैट इज़ नॉट योर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. यू हैव टू मेक द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म with dividing by the same number, the last number. Okay, now some properties of rational number. If p by q is a rational number and n is the integer where n is not equal to 0, then p multiplied by n upon q multiplied by n can also be written as pn upon qn. अगर दो नंबर के बीच में या दो अल्फ़ाबेट्स के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं होता, मतलब वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन है. सो यू कैन राइट दिस इन दिस फॉर्म ऑल्सो. यू कैन रिमूव मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला साइन एंड डायरेक्टली राइट पी एन अपॉन क्यू एन. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल p बाई क्यू इक्वल्स टू 2/5, n इक्वल्स टू 3, तो 2 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by 3, that becomes 6/15. No difference. Okay, now coming to the second property. If p by q is a rational number and n is an integer, then p by q equals to p divided by n upon q divided by n. इसमें हम पी एन अपॉन क्यू एन नहीं लिख सकते, इसमें डिवाइड का साइन ज़रूरी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो 12/21 दिया है, n इक्वल्स टू 3, तो 12 डिवाइड बाई 3, 21 डिवाइड बाई 3, सो योर आंसर कम्स 4/7. ओके, अब इसमें क्या होगा, p बाई क्यू और p डिवाइड बाई n और q डिवाइड बाई n आर इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर्स. सेम ईयर p बाई q और पी एन क्यू एन क्या होगा, इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर्स, क्योंकि उसी को मल्टीप्लाई करके आया है, यहाँ पे उसी को डिवाइड करके आया है. करेक्ट. नाउ थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. टू रैशनल नंबर्स p बाई q एंड r बाई s आर इक्वल इफ अगर फर्स्ट न्यूमरेटर सेकेंड डिनोमिनेटर और फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर सेकेंड न्यूमरेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इक्वल होता है, तो दीज टू रैशनल नंबर्स आर इक्वल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी 2/5 एंड 4/10. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, so these two rational numbers are equal. Okay, now methods to check the equality of two rational number. First method is convert the given rational number to their standard form. आपको जो भी रैशनल नंबर दिया है उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए, ठीक है, एंड देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट वेदर दीज रैशनल नंबर आर इक्वल और नॉट। सेकेंड, जो हमने अभी ऊपर मेथड पढ़ा, फर्स्ट का न्यूमरेटर सेकेंड का डिनोमिनेटर, फर्स्ट का डिनोमिनेटर सेकेंड का न्यूमरेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आंसर इक्वल आता है तो वो दोनों रैशनल नंबर्स इक्वल है। और थर्ड है, एज यूज्ड इन फ्रैक्शंस we can also check the equality of given rational number by making the denominators equal. Make the denominators equal taking LCM, okay, and after taking LCM you can check whether the answer has come correct or not. So we got three methods to check the equality. First, make them in standard form and check whether they are equal or not. Second, multiply the numerator denominator of both the rational number and check whether the answer comes equal or not. And third, take the LCM and check whether after LCM the answer is coming same or not. Now representation of rational numbers on number line, that we have already done, same as that of fraction. We have to represent the rational numbers on the number line. Okay, now coming to the examples. First example is express -30 upon -42 with denominator 7. एक्सप्रेस -30 अपॉन -42 विद डिनोमिनेटर 7। तो इसमें हमने क्या किया, डिनोमिनेटर 7 चाहिए मीन्स आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, राइट। सो 42 को किससे डिवाइड करोगे कि आपका आंसर 7 आए, -6 से। वाई, बिकॉज इट इज गिवन -42। सो विल डिवाइड -6 ऑन बोथ द साइड, सो विल गेट द डिनोमिनेटर एज 7।